Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodson Gamer and welcome to this beautiful, very beautiful green loading screen of this game, Crystals of Zong. The Commodore 64 is a kind of adventure game here from 1983. So, let's go back to this beautiful menu again here. Okay, so I'm new to this game. Let's see if we can get anywhere. Okay, here we go. I play as this little bloke here, and I need to go around here and collect this different keys here. And I can of course get this sword here, and that will be access to killing all the snakes for a very limited time. And when I leave a room, there will be new problems. So let's go down here, and now we are in new trouble again here. So now let's go and kill snakes here, and collect another key. So I need to collect these keys here, and at some point this middle section of the room will be unlocked, so I can collect some treasures. So there you go. Now there is only one way out, and it's up here somewhere. I should try my best here, but I have a terrible sense of direction. So, okay, here is a green key. There is a lot of ugly snakes and shit going on here. I lost a life there. So I have 5 lives at the beginning. Okay, so now I shall go and collect. I don't know if there is any way to get extra lives. I don't know actually. I have not read the manual. Okay, so now this middle room here is, or the middle section of the room is flickering. So if I push fire here, okay, so now I go, and this kind of torches here, believe they top up my energy, and it plays a melody of the Doors, which is great because the Doors is a great band. I believe it's the Doors, I don't remember. I shall go up here. Hey, we're in here. Okay, so this is a new room, and now we have a key and weapon together up here. So now we shall eat. It's a little bit of Pac-Man style with this eating or killing off the enemies like that. Okay, so that is the ladder to the next level actually, but it's still locked. So that is a pain in the ass. Okay, I shall go in here now and collect that. Kill off some ugly snakes here. Okay. Okay, so now I got another key. Perhaps I can go back. Let's go back again here. Okay. So now I need to find my way back to the ladder. Okay, there is more stuff going on here. More treasures to collect. I don't remember where the ladder to the next level is, so. But there is more treasures all the time here, so. And ugly snakes. Piss off. Leave me alone. Okay, so now let's try and find the ladder to... So I can at least finish one level. Let's go up here and try my luck. Here is more treasures. Oh shit! Green ugly snake going on here. Fucking assholes. Okay, go down here. Okay. This is not the right way. And here is not so much room. Let's go up here. Try to take right turn here perhaps. Fuck's sake. Let's go up here. I don't remember the way. Ah, here is some boots. Let's collect the boots as well. Let's go this way. Oh, here it is. But it's still locked. I can't believe it. I need one more key. This is stupid. And now I have like high-speed boots on me. This is ridiculous. There is no key here. Ah, you ass. I need one more key. And this boots, high-speed boots is just getting on my fucking nerves. And now come snakes from all over the place. Fuck you. Ah. It's so annoying. And I'm not going to play again, so this is just going to be one time play. Okay, I should try to go right here. Okay. Okay, so now I've got the crown here as well. And there is a key. And now I need to find a way out. And that is easier said than done. So I have to just... It's just a fucking guessing game here again. Okay, go up here. And continue up here. You asshole. Fuck. Okay. So I have 2 life left. Let's go up here. I think I should go left here somewhere. It's still... Okay, I should go... Oh, okay. I'll go down here. Hey, go down here. Aj, aj, aj. Ay, caramba. Come on, let's get in here. There it is! I see it. Haha! I made it! It took some time. Alright. Level 2. Got one key. Now I have to fight with bats here. I don't care so much about the bats here. I should try to go up here. But I better take them out so I can have a little bit of peace. And let's try to go this way. Ah, that's the minus with this game, is that when you go from one room to another, you can run into enemies just all of a sudden. So it's a little bit unfair. But I have been very lucky now. So cannot really complain too much, but but I have tried this game out. Piss off. Before a few times, so okay. Piss off. Okay. Stay away from... Have I been in here? Yes, I have been in here. Have I been over to the right? Don't think so. It's a little bit of Wizard of War feeling to this game as well, actually. It is flickering now, so I'm not gonna collect more treasures here. Oh shit! Okay, let's go down here, collect that. Alright, alright, alright. Haha, ha. Okay, so now let's go down here. I don't think I've been in down here. Okay, alright. Ah! So sloppy of me there. Actually, I could have avoided that. Alright. Here is... Oh, come on. Stop fucking around. Let's go in here. Okay, let's go down here. Ah, more keys here. Alright. Nice. Dankeschön. And these ugly bats going on here. And they are trying to encircle me. Haha. Now, who, come on. Piss off. Aye! I was too late. Millisecond. Game over. Okay. But we have seen the game. Yeah, great game. Great game it is. It's so cool. So cool from an old game from 1983. I'm liking this one so much. It's a 7 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. That was Crystals of Song on the Commodore 64. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Goodbye.